She's taking the lizard upstairs.
We got it.
She's taking the lizard upstairs.
Are you doing a video?
Yes.
Okay.
I just gotta go upstairs first and find out where she's taking it. She better not be taking it in my room.
No.
Gross.
Ew.
Lola, come back. Disgusting. Lola. Ew. Ew, it's covered in drool. I think I'm gonna throw up. Oh, nice work. Now it's alive and yes, guys! Yeah! Oh my God! Come back! Come back with that lizard! Don't let it near the stairs. Don't let it escape, Lola.